So when he looks at something and says, you know what, this is haram, then if it's part of my culture, this is where Islam is drawing the line between my culture and religion. It's very easy. Many times we ask this question, how are we to separate culture from religion? The answer is you constantly ask these whys. Some of that is haram. This is where Islam is saying, you have your culture, wonderful, but this part of your culture is going too far. We're going to stop it here. There are other areas where it's mubah, and Islam has no problem with you going about your own business, doing your own mubah in your own way. It's part of your culture. You want to do it this way, that's fine. I give this example many times. I say a chocolate cake. Different people, different ethnicities, they'll make a chocolate cake in a different way. If you come from the Iranian culture like me, even though it's a chocolate cake, at the end of the day, there's going to be some sort of fruit that's going to make its way into this cake. Some pineapple, some date, something like that. That's just part of our culture. Does Islam have this big problem with this? No, it's mubah, you do as you like. If they ask you to make a chocolate cake, somehow, some way, some za'atar is going to make its way in there. How? What does that have to do with chocolate cake? It's culture, it's no problem. That's a chocolate cake for you, that's a chocolate cake for me. If you ask another ethnicity, they'll have something else in there. It's just that's how we make chocolate cakes. Does Islam have a problem with this? No, it's mubah, you do as you wish.